The upcoming iPad mini 8 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting compact tablets Apple has ever developed. And according to multiple supply chain reports and industry leaks, it could blur the line between the standard iPad lineup and the premium Pro family more than ever before. For years, the iPad mini has been known as Apple's smallest tablet, loved by students, travelers, pilots, artists, healthcare professionals, and anyone who values portability without sacrificing performance. While previous generations focused mainly on faster processors and modest hardware improvements, the rumored iPad mini 8 appears ready to introduce several major upgrades all at once. The biggest talking point is undoubtedly the display. Apple is reportedly preparing to replace the LCD technology used in every iPad mini since the redesign in 2021 with a modern OLED panel. This would represent the largest visual improvement in the history of the iPad mini lineup. Traditional LCD displays rely on a backlight that shines through every pixel, meaning black areas never become completely black. Instead, they appear as a dark gray because the backlight is always active. OLED works very differently. Every individual pixel generates its own light and can switch off independently. That means when something on the screen is black, those pixels simply turn off completely, producing perfect blacks, dramatically improved contrast, richer colors, and a far more cinematic viewing experience. Movies become more immersive, HDR content looks significantly brighter, and everyday tasks such as reading articles, browsing photos, or watching YouTube videos become noticeably more enjoyable. Another advantage of OLED is the elimination of one of the iPad mini's most criticized issues, jelly scrolling. On LCD-equipped iPad minis, users sometimes notice one side of the display scrolling slightly ahead of the other while reading web pages or documents in portrait orientation. Although not everyone notices it, those who do often find it distracting. Because OLED refreshes differently than LCD technology, this issue is expected to disappear entirely, giving users a much smoother and more consistent scrolling experience. Apple reportedly chose the iPad mini as the first non-Pro tablet to receive OLED because it presents the lowest manufacturing risk. Its relatively small display measures just over 8 inches, making OLED panels less expensive to produce than those for larger devices. This allows Apple to refine production techniques and increase manufacturing efficiency before bringing OLED technology to future iPad Air and MacBook Air models. Bloomberg has previously reported that Apple has been actively testing OLED panels across several upcoming product categories, and the Mini appears to be leading that transition. The display itself may also grow slightly despite the tablet retaining nearly identical physical dimensions. Current rumors suggest the screen could increase from 8.3 inches to somewhere between 8.4 and 8.5 inches, simply by reducing the bezels surrounding the display. This means users gain more screen real estate without sacrificing portability or making the device harder to hold with one hand. Apple is reportedly balancing premium features carefully, however. Unlike the latest iPad Pro, which uses an advanced tandem OLED system consisting of 2 stacked OLED layers for exceptional brightness and improved longevity, the iPad mini 8 is expected to feature a more affordable single-layer LTPS OLED panel. While it may not reach the incredible brightness levels of the Pro models, it would still represent a huge leap over the existing LCD technology. Likewise, ProMotion with its 120Hz adaptive refresh rate is expected to remain exclusive to the Pro lineup. Apple has long differentiated its products by reserving certain premium features for higher-priced devices, and keeping ProMotion exclusive helps maintain a clear distinction between the Mini and the Pro. Even without these features, the display upgrade alone could completely transform the user experience. Performance is another area generating significant discussion among analysts and Apple watchers. Most reports suggest the iPad mini 8 will be powered by the A19 Pro chip, expected to debut in the iPhone 17 Pro lineup. Built using Apple's advanced 3nm manufacturing process, this processor would deliver substantial gains in CPU speed, graphics performance, power efficiency, and AI processing capabilities. However, a handful of leaked references within Apple's internal development code have hinted at something even more ambitious: the possibility of the A20 Pro. If those leaks prove accurate, the Mini 8 could become one of the very first Apple devices powered by a revolutionary 2-nanometer processor. Such a move would significantly increase performance while reducing power consumption, giving the compact tablet desktop-class capabilities that were unimaginable only a few years ago. Whether Apple ultimately chooses the A19 Pro or the newer A20 Pro, users can expect an enormous improvement over the current A17 Pro found in today's iPad mini. Complex photo editing, 4K video editing, multitasking, professional creative applications, gaming with console-quality graphics, and Apple's growing suite of AI-powered Apple Intelligence features should all run faster and more efficiently than ever before. Apple is also rumored to introduce official water resistance to the iPad mini lineup for the first time. Previous generations offered no certified protection against water or dust, leaving users cautious around pools, kitchens, bathrooms, or rainy environments. Reports indicate Apple may redesign the internal speaker system using vibration-based audio technology that eliminates traditional speaker grills. With fewer physical openings, the tablet becomes much easier to seal against water intrusion while maintaining excellent sound quality. Combined with improved internal engineering, this could result in the first officially water-resistant iPad mini in history. Connectivity is also expected to receive meaningful upgrades. Support for Wi-Fi 7 would enable dramatically faster wireless speeds, reduced latency, and improved performance on compatible routers, making cloud gaming, large file transfers, and high-resolution streaming smoother than ever. Bluetooth 6 is also rumored, promising improved efficiency, stronger connections, lower power consumption, and better performance with wireless accessories such as headphones, keyboards, controllers, and Apple Pencil. Battery efficiency may improve thanks to both the OLED display and the newer processor, allowing users to enjoy longer usage times despite the more powerful hardware. Storage options are also expected to expand, potentially starting at 256 GB instead of 128 GB, although Apple has not confirmed those details. Pricing, however, may become the most controversial aspect of the new Mini. The current model starts at $499, but industry analysts believe the OLED upgrade and newer internal components could increase the starting price to around $599. Apple CEO Tim Cook has already acknowledged that rising component costs, particularly memory and storage, are affecting pricing across the company's product lineup. As a result, the Mini may simply reflect broader industry trends rather than an unusually aggressive price increase. The expected launch window currently points toward September or October 2026, though some reports suggest production delays could push availability into early 2027. If the rumors prove accurate, the iPad mini 8 may represent the biggest leap forward the product has ever experienced. It may not replace the iPad Pro entirely, but with its OLED display, powerful next-generation processor, possible water resistance, faster wireless technology, slimmer bezels, and premium overall design, it comes remarkably close. For users seeking maximum portability without giving up flagship-level performance, the iPad mini 8 could become one of Apple's most compelling tablets yet, offering a premium experience in a compact form factor that many people may find to be the perfect balance between power, convenience, and everyday